This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, July 9th, 2019. This is there I got a call for a lady I worked for before. She had a problem with her AC. She got says she's got a two-family house, a single-family house with 2 floors, and the AC is not working on both. We'll have to go by and see what's going on with it. No AC calls. No AC calls up the yin-yang. Then calls up the yin-yang. Oh yeah, he had a lot of calls up the yin-yang. Thing comes all the way from the basement and runs all the way up here. So there's no unit up here, it's down in the basement. Boy, that's kind of a shitty job.
Well, like I said, you know more about it.
This is what I call a shit show.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so there's only, so you did change the filter in the basement?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Let's go check it. How many thermostats do you have for the air conditioner? Just one?
Just the one here in the bedroom and the one downstairs.
Alright. Has it been cooling since you,
We shut them off.
You shut them off.
Yeah, and then because last night we opened the windows up, it was cool. You know?
So they had a piece of board over the air conditioner outside, you said.
Yeah, a round pot thing.
Well, that's what the problem was. I mean, you might have, they put the guys that did
the landscaping.
The landscaping, they covered the outside unit
On top. They put that thing on top.
and they never took it off.
No, till the other day, like it was about like maybe a week ago, or 3 or 4 days ago.
Yeah, you'll blow the capacitor like that. All right, let's get this thing going. I got work to do. Gotta see if we get this thing fixed.
Oh, wait a minute.
We'll figure it out.
I'll get this.
So we're gonna send them guys the bill for the landscapers.
No.
Give them the flipping bill. Let's see. Let's turn it on. Where's the cooling? So you got a cooling thermostat up here too?
Right here. Here's the one in the bedroom, and we got.
You might have zone dampers downstairs. Does this one run the AC or no?
Yeah.
You're not sure.
Well, I mean, it runs the furnace. You know, when we put the air conditioner on, we put it on cool.
All right. Well, you put them on cool. You put them both on cool where you want them, and we'll run it. I think it's probably only running on 1. I don't think it's running on 2. System off. We'll put it on cool and yeah, cool and hold. We put them both on cool. We'll see what happens. You said there's only 1 unit outside, right?
Yeah, right. And the other thermostat.
Yeah, you can't make this shit up, huh? Guy covers your outside unit with a pot.
Lucky it was you. You helped us a couple of times in the other house. You know what I mean? And you put a thing outside on the air conditioner. That was like 2 years ago over there.
What did I? Oh, a capacitor.
You know?
You probably need another one now that the guy put that thing on there. All right, we're set for 72. And you said the furnace downstairs. Let's go look at that.
Yeah.
So you're renting here.
No. No,
So you got no filters.
we were here. We rented the other house.
Yeah, they
But
got
then-
zone dampers. See, they got flipping zone dampers. See? Alright, so they're both calling. Let's go check the outside unit, see what's happening with that.
And that's the filter that I put in here. It's a little long, but it was the same as the
Yeah,
other.
that's alright. That's alright. Ain't rocket science. Right? Let's go check the outside unit.
Here, you want me to open the bulkhead? It'll probably be easier.
No, I gotta get my tools are up here.
Oh.
Well, the unit's not even running. He must have blew a capacitor, so he had that on
this
top.
on it. And
Oh, there it is. It's a capacitor. Hear it? Yeah. It wanted to stop, but it's not starting.
And
It's a
see
bad
this-
capacitor.
I did this because when I heard that click, I looked and the pipe was down.
Yeah, it's a capacitor's bad. Betcha. Betcha it's popped. Because you put that on top of there and build up too much heat and you blow the capacitor. Because you hear it trying to start.
See, and I put that in to tie it up there because it was hitting the thing.
Oh, great.
The pipe.
Ain't that special? Yeah, that'll work, I guess. Metal. All right, let me get this thing off and let's take a look at it. Oh, you'd have planted bushes in front of it. Yeah, the capacitor's all puffed. Nah, you can't do that. I mean, that's the problem. We'll fix this beast. What do we got there? Yeah, well, that's a 40-5. I got them in the truck. It gets really hot, right? If you're not getting rid of the heat, you could blow the capacitor. Oh, so that's probably what happened, ma'am. But we'll put a new capacitor and we'll get it going for you. I mean, we'll get you cooling.
That's good.
No, you don't want to put another bush in front. If anything in the winter, you want to cover that with a piece of plywood and a block, just to keep the leaves out.
Okay. Right.
That's all, because the leaves turn to dirt. Yeah. And then in the summer, you got to take the board off again before you run it, because you'll blow another capacitor.
That's what we did over the other house. You put a capacitor in.
Yeah.
And I got a cover for it.
Yeah.
So,
well, you can get a cover, but don't go all the way to the bottom because then it'll sweat. It won't breathe. Oh, yeah. So if you got a cover, just a short cover, halfway down and strap it, that'll work. Or just put a piece of wood on there. Right. Whatever's easier.
That's funny.
Alright, so the capacitor's changed. I had to change the connector. We'll see if it starts now. Put a new one in there. Should start right up. So if you cover this, it doesn't get rid of the heat. It builds up a lot of pressure, high head pressure. It'll cook that. And that thing will blow. They usually go on hot days. So it was probably your gardener that put that on there. Yeah. I mean, what a flipping moron.
Yeah, it's funny.
Alright, this thing's cooling off nice, so the charge is gonna be fine. Nice and hot here. Should be fine with the charge. It's been cooling the house and all of a sudden it stopped. Right? Alright, you're all set. Every so often you want to hit this thing with a hose on the outside here.
Well, now I know, you know what I mean? I'm going to come over here and clean the shit out of there.
Yeah, clean this and hit this with the hose, with the garden hose. You want to hit this with the garden hose and keep it clean because it gets dirt in there. Alright?
Yeah.
Get over here with the garden hose and keep this clean. I mean, especially on every so often, I mean, once a year or something. Okay?
Oh, yeah. I'm going to get that today.
Alright, so you should be all set now. I'll get you a slip. Alright, guys, just left that job. And he was telling me that the gardeners, you know, the guys that did all the stuff around the shrubs, they put a bunch of stuff on top of the air conditioner, that plate and that pipe and stuff on top of the air conditioner. And that's probably why that capacitor blew. If you put stuff on top of the condenser, you put all that stuff on top of the condenser, it can't breathe. Can't get rid of the heat when they're running the AC. So they rent over there. So I just put the capacitor, a couple of connectors on there and got them going. Charge seems to be fine. We'll let it go, let it ride. Let it ride and we're off to our next one, mama. Steve is working again, yo. Steve is working again. good boy? You a good boy? What's all the growling for? You a good boy? Huh? You a good boy? Nice seat you got there. You got a nice little seat there, buddy. You growling at?